Welcome to my virtual classroom on digital citizenship. This online class was created for 5th grade students and focuses on the importance of online safety, plagiarism, the digital footprint, and cyberbullying. Once students enter the virtual classroom, they will begin by going to the Get Started tab. This provides students with a brief overview, a few places to explore, and a video about the 5 things to know about being a digital citizen. Students will also be instructed to view the Class Rules and Information tab, which contains the syllabus as well as general rules and discussion board regulations. Additionally, I have provided library resources for students, including links to the Osage Elementary Online Library Catalog, a citation maker, and various websites on digital citizenship. Prior to starting the first lesson, students will introduce themselves on the discussion board, and they will also identify 2 goals they hope to meet by the end of the course. Students will be asked to revisit these goals at the conclusion of the class and reevaluate their goals. This online course is broken down into 4 lessons, all of which contain a pre-test, a post-test, BrainPop videos, and a discussion board question. There are also main activities which the students will post for a grade. When students click on a lesson tab, they will see a brief introduction, the standards that are being addressed, and a folder containing all activities and assignments. The first lesson focuses on online safety. After taking the pre-test and watching the BrainPop video, students will complete an online information sort by downloading a Smart Notebook file. Students will save their work and upload the file with their answers. Students will then create an account on the website Nimbus and complete an About Me section. Nimbus is a safe social networking site that is developed specifically for education. The goal of the activity is to practice filling out information online without giving out too much personal information. The second lesson centers around plagiarism and is broken down into 2 parts. After viewing the video on plagiarism, students will enter a learning module that walks them through how to evaluate the validity of online sources. Through a step-by-step process, students will view the website The Tree Octopus, complete comprehension questions, and then determine the validity of the source. Students will then apply what they have learned to research 10 facts about their culture. Using these 10 facts, they will present the information in one of the following iPad apps that I have listed. Lesson 3 is all about the digital footprint. Students again will watch a BrainPop video and then complete an activity on identifying good versus bad netiquette. I have also included a screencast that I created that explains what a digital footprint is and the importance of maintaining a positive image in the 21st century. Students will then complete an activity in which they will Google fun facts about President Obama. They will upload their 3 fun facts for a grade. For the last activity, students will then download a file containing an outline of a foot, and they will fill it with anything they feel represents their positive digital footprint. The final lesson focuses on cyberbullying, which has become an unfortunate problem in society. After viewing a BrainPop video and the vocabulary associated with cyberbullying, students will be placed into differentiated groups to create a public service announcement. Differentiated rubrics will be used to grade the project, and students will be able to use the features of iMovie to create their PSA. Each group has their own workspace that allows for file sharing, blogging, discussion board, group tasks, and sending email. Students will be graded on both their PSA and their ability to collaborate with their peers in an online forum. Lastly, students will complete a comprehensive assessment and a self-assessment about their participation in the course. The final assignment will require students to reevaluate their goals, which they set at the beginning of the class on the discussion board. All of the rubrics, information about me, the instructor, and all Blackboard resources are available on the left-hand side of the screen. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of my virtual classroom, and I thank you for visiting.